Morifing Donzo to Kumasi Asante Kotoko no Eyako off because Abrantes no are extending a contract for Hafia club for 2 years. Information we be tomu anopano be referees and kabedebemao. And only the latest news from Guinea Hafia Kumasi Asante Kotoko transfers. Now player no or a striker. Say Kotoko 3 strikers. Yes, Abdulrahman Karim ewo Elvis Chamber for Yemfane say ononso ho. Albert Amoa recently from Accra Great Olympics ononso aba. Tenedu any player on the screen is Swakwan Mohammed. And opanami senior citizen ba ko ka chem say Kotoko. Ya sign 10 players no. Or say you be sign 15. Me dem adwene me say akabe 3 bi na Kotoko de asoso. Na 3 no emu 2 edimu tintiban a player your friend Swakwan Mohammed and Tenedu Samuel Legon Cities a honor player way there. I'm told say Kotoko a living negotiations and because they say Kotoko foreign players a dorsal and attacking Hono crown. So I think say enough with 10 players are Kotoko assigned for free. It is enough. Chiba for yes, and Abdulrahman, Abdul Karim, and Albert. Omunyina no new players are assigned. They are all forwards. Now, Yonko on to Tenedu and Swakwan Mohammed. Swakwan, they know the woman say, okay, say Monday no be share Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now, the meeting is scheduled to come on after Wednesday. Actually, Kotoko proposal. Contract proposal no Kotoko de amano. But the contract with Legon Cities no ebe at the end of this month. 31st. Month we is 31st. And it is I think 29th. Wednesday 30th. And Tuesday 30th. Wednesday 31st. First will be Thursday. Inti the woman no player no akase abuchiri Malaysia deal na aba enya de obeko. Yes. Enti Kotoko de no still na ejinem bit maka say asset enne ekobe 85%. Now Kotoko on Swakwan Mohammed no as a rules no ya particularly not too different. So Tenedu de no na manfo nim say Kotoko be game, but information am inside can say even though say Kotoko Swakwan na aka kakra bi no omu na wie ne Tenedu de no omunje mu Tenedu will still be coming to Kotoko if only say omu meet the demands na omu meet middle grounder. Tenedu to Kumasi Asante Kotoko no so is also on.